What is up, Goria Gang? It's Bella and I'm so excited for this video. I have put together a whole drugstore makeup look for you guys, including brushes and makeup, and I hope you guys enjoy it. I created this look. It's super simple, it's quick, it's easy, but it also makes you look good and it makes you feel good and it will last all day and everything that you want about makeup. So if you're interested in this video, I would love for you to keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe down below so you can join the Goria Gang. I would love to have you join. Love you guys so much and become a Goria Ganger today. So the first thing I'm going to do is just take this Pixie Hydrating Milky Mist and spritz this on my face for some extra hydration. So for primer, I'm using the L'Oreal Infallible Glow Lock Primer. This is just a really good primer to lock in makeup, but also add the glow, literally in the title. So I'm just gonna use this all over my face. It's also really creamy and it's quite hydrating for a primer, so it's good all around. So now we're gonna add some coverage to our face. I'm gonna be using the Sonia Kashuk sponge to blend it in. I love this sponge, it's really pretty. But I'm gonna be using the L'Oreal Infallible 205 Natural Beige Pro Glow Foundation. This is my favorite drugstore foundation. I'm just gonna dot this all over my face. I love this sponge because it's so big at the bottom. You can do your foundation so quickly, which is what we need before school, right? Okay, so I'm going to conceal a bit. I'm going to use the Flower Beauty Light Illusion Full Coverage Concealer. I'm adding a tiny little bit of this to brighten up some dull areas. So for powder, I'm going to set my face and bake a little with the Coty Airspun powder and use the tip of my sponge to apply it. I'm going to take a little bit that's left at the top of the powder on this Real Techniques powder brush and just set the rest of my face. So the bake has been wiped away and now we're going to go in with the Physicians Formula Butter Collection palette. This is the medium deep one. And I'm going to take the bronzer on this e.l.f. brush. It's the 101 brush, and add some dimension because my face is like uber pale right now. I'm also going to be taking that blush inside the palette with a Real Techniques blush brush. For highlight, I'm going to be taking a Morphe M510, and I'm going into this Pixie Glowy Glossimer Duo in the Delicate Dew color. And I'm going to take the second color right here. It's more of a gold, and let's apply some highlight. Honestly, Pixie killed it with this highlight duo. It's so good. This is the best drugstore highlight, in my opinion. I'm gonna take my pinky finger and pop some in the inner corner of my eye. And I'm actually gonna take some and just like dust it under my eyebrow. For brows, I'm gonna take the Maybelline Total Temptation Brow Definer in 315 Brown and just kind of add to them a little bit more. They don't even need to be done because my eyebrows are already like pretty much there fully, but I'm just gonna darken them a bit. And then I'm going to take this Pixie Brow Tamer in the clear color and just set them. I'm going to mix the Pixie Glow Mist with the Essence Keep It Perfect Mist to set my face. So if you want a lip color or not, I have a lip color duo for you, but if not, then just apply the Hempz Lip Moisturizing Lip Balm. That is really good just for every day if you just want a little bit of a moisturizing lip balm. But I'm going to add some color. I'm going to use the Maybelline Shaping Lip Liner in 115 Total Toffee to define it, and then the Pixie Matte Beige Matte Last Liquid Lip to fill it in. Okay guys, so here's my finished makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Everything was drugstore in this video, including the brushes, and I love the way it turned out. My makeup feels super light, and I know it's gonna last all day with all the products that I used. And I also look good. So if you loved this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below so you can be part of the Goria Gang. Don't forget to check out my other school video. It's how to look cute but stylish and comfortable at the same time type of video. So if you're interested in that, don't forget to check that out. Turn my post notifications bell on, and hopefully I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.